Hey everyone, welcome to this video, and today we are going to unbox the 3D printing pen. Shall we start? Shall we start? Yes! Shall we? Okay! Okay, so let's open it from here and see what is inside. Okay, so we have some manual which is going to tell us. What is that? Okay. And then we have some filaments. Okay. Okay, with multiple colors. We have a stand for. Okay. Where we can put the 3D printing pen, and this is the 3D printing pen. Okay. Nice. Okay, so let's keep it there. And we have a nice adapter, okay? Which should, let me just open it up. Okay. And this should go to the back here and connect it to the power so that we can use it like this. Okay. So that's all comes in the box. Let's put the box out. And we have some extra filaments here. 2 extra filaments here. Too much of yes. Yes. Okay. So those are the things that you get in the box. And this is extra that we bought. There you go. So this completes this video of unboxing, and in the next video you will see how to use this 3D printer pen to create 3D objects. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
So that's my first 3D printed cube from a 3D printing pen.